Today I'm going to show how to use XPlay to schedule the memory reduction of an over-provisioned VM for a maintenance window. Notice here we have this out-of-box playbook, reduce an over-provisioned VM's memory. This is the one that we're going to go ahead and use. So let's start by cloning this playbook. And I'm going to actually apply this to a specific VM in my system. App VM. You can apply it to all VMs, but for the sake of this demo, I'm just going to apply it to one. The next thing I'd like to do is I'm going to actually change out this email action to be a Slack action. All I need to do is insert my Slack token, channel name, and a message. So the next action here we can look at is called wait until the day of the week. And this is what allows us to delay the execution of the actions that follow this until a specific time. Right now, it's set to wait until Sunday at 12 a.m. I'm going to actually change that because our maintenance windows are Saturdays at 2 p.m. We also have the option here to choose if we would like to resume automatically or stop. Resuming would mean if this playbook is not manually resumed by Saturday at 2 p.m., it will automatically resume and execute the rest of the actions. Choosing stopped would mean at Saturday at 2 p.m., the playbook would be aborted if it wasn't already manually resumed. We'll leave the VM snapshot, power off, reduce memory, and power on filled out. These are the steps that would be needed to remediate my over-provisioned VM. Now all I need to do is fill in my email address, save the playbook, give it a name, and enable it. Let's start by looking at that VM from the VM's view. At VM. Scroll down and look. We have 3 gigabytes memory capacity. The alert has been triggered. We can come over to Slack and see that we received the Slack notification. We can also come over to the alerts view and see that the alert is here waiting for us. Now what we're going to do is let's go ahead and navigate back to the playbooks view and come over to this plays view. We can see that there is a paused play here for us. And what is happening is it's waiting until that maintenance window that we set on Saturday at 2 p.m. before resuming. I also have the option here to go ahead and abort or resume the execution of this playbook manually. Now I'm going to go ahead and resume this playbook. We can see the playbook's now status in progress. If we navigate over here, we can actually see that the VM's already been reduced memory capacity to 2 gigabytes and its power state is on. So it seems like things have finished up. We can go ahead and go back to that playbooks view. Click in here and we can see the playbook was executed successfully. I hope this video showed you how easy it is to schedule automation for a maintenance window with XPlay and how you can also resume those playbooks on demand. Thanks for watching.